So guys, I'm going to solve the question number 22, and the question number 22 is find the missing number in an array from 1 to n. So what happened in there ki like we have like the first thing we do, like first we define the input array and the range. In this step you define the input array which contains sum of the number from 1 to n and the expected range from 1 to n. The variable n represents the expected length of the array if no number were missing. The step 2 which I'm doing is to calculate the expected sum of 1 to n, and this actually we are doing this step calculate the sum of the number from 1 to n using the formula of sum, right? And in this step you define the input array which contains sum of the number from 2 n and the expected range from 1 to n. The variable n represent the expected length of the array if the number were missing. Calculated the expected. Come to the step 2, like this step calculate the sum of the number from 1 to n using the formula of the sum arithmetic series, and this represent the sum of you would expect if no number were missing. Come to the step 3, calculate the actual sum of the input array. In this step you calculate the sum of the element in the input array by iterating through the array. And step 4, you find the missing number by subtracting the actual sum from the expected sum. And come to the step 5, checking the missing number. In the final step, your console.log, you use console.log to print the missing number. I will show the output how it will be when you run this code with the input array 1 2 5 8 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 4 6 3 7 8. It will show you the output is missing number 5. So come to the guys question number 23. I'm going to solve it in next video, and till then question number 2 is solved. Okay.